Hey, hey, hey. Howdy, howdy, howdy. How are you today? It's Lisa, Fossil Finding Female. It is the 31st of October, 2023. And I was going through these as I do every day and thought, oh, I should do a quick video as I do most of the time. This one is a nice find that I refound. And that is really pretty. Can you see it okay? Is that better? I really like it. Cool tool. This one, I don't really know. It's interesting to me as well. Very big, heavy, dense. I do think it's used to be alive. Now it's fossilized. But what? I don't know. Kind of looks like dolomite, but I don't know. Don't know. Isn't that cool? I found that really cool. Flaking it away, chipping it away. This too. When you look at it, look at that being the eye. One side's flat, but there's the eye. Got smashed in the flood. Mouth. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, interesting, curiosity. This is pretty cool. This one is too, right here, this one is an interesting one. Don't you find that rather interesting? The same size as an eye would be. One side is flat. Crazy. Crazy. See where they notched out for their big hand? Would have to be a big, well, maybe not. I have some fits on there. Huh. It's amazing though. It looks like it's an artifact because someone else is notching out these spots. Here. Over here. And there. Definitely looks used. Really cool. Cool find, cool find, cool find. Another notch out there. Looks like something that was alive. That looks like skin that has fossilized. This one, see the edge here? Place for the thumb. Scraper, pretty good one too. And then also looks like a polisher. It's so flat there. Kind of got that patina on it too. Hopefully you can see. There we go. See that? It's a pretty cool tool. At least I think it was a tool. This is another cool. And here you can see lines going through them. And the sun. Either broke there or was broke there. It looks like it was probably broke. This one could have broke too. It looks like an interesting tool, or you know, it looks like it was worked along there and napped in all these different places. It's very sharp, little bitty sharp places all over it. This one too. Let's see. Looks like they held it here. Looks used. See that right here? And that. Pretty cool. It's sharp right up here. Another very sharp one. Dang, that is really sharp over here. Had to have been a lot sharper back in the days, but that's sharp. Another very sharp one. See how sharp those are down there? See, can you see it better like that maybe? Sharp all around that baby. It's cool, odd, cool. In the sun. That's sharp. In the shade. It's used, but it looks like it could have been something alive too. And then they made it into a tool, notching this out. Notching them out. Wow, that's sharp. Surprising to be sharp still. It's been so long ago. I don't believe in the time they say anyway, but it's still been a long time, but not as long as, I don't believe as long as they say. So another one looks notched out right here. And I guess it's a polisher. Maybe it was a scraper too. You don't know. Don't know. Wasn't there. I just found that cool with that streak running through there. It does look like it could have been worked around the edges. And here. And here. All around there. And we're going on 10 minutes and 30 seconds. I've been all into this because they're so cool. Very sharp. Anyway, I have more as you see, but I think I showed you that one, and there's another one like that. But I should probably go. I guess 15 minutes will be alright. There's another one, see, and they're so sharp. Don't know about that one. There's a nice piece of flint. Dun, dun. And in the shade. I think they cut that out too. But I don't know what for. Maybe it's a mouth. I find these interesting too. Like, what the heck? See that little, looks like a little beak right there in the eye. I wonder what I do with that one I had. Don't know. This looks like a tool too. But may not be. Let's see what else I have here. Another very sharp one. Very sharp. Very, very sharp. I could cut myself. And another pretty sharp one. Isn't that cool? I sure think so. Pretty cool looking. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Be safe if you go out in this crazy night. There's a lot of lunatic psychopaths running wild, looking for blood, literally. So be safe out there. This one's cool too. Look at that, how fine that is. These are too. I mean, I have so many, but that one, look how red that one is. And that one's pretty nice too. Well, thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a safe and happy night. Adios. See you next time. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment.